Hello to everyone, welcome back to another video lesson. Today we are going to study about the Excel program, grade 7, lesson 17. The page that we will cover is page 65 up to page 67. And the outline for today is types of data, how many data type do we have, and how we can enter the data in Excel, how we can edit the data, how we can select a range of cells and copying the cell content, moving the cell content, deleting the cell content, and at the last, autofill. So let's start. First topic is about the types of data. In Excel, we have different types of data. For example, Excel can contain any combination of letters, numbers, and spaces. So when we choose the text, we can enter the data like letters, I mean ABC, numbers we can write it. Also we can put the spaces and also we can write non-numeric characters. Let's try it. Come on, click on Start menu, then type Excel program, then press enter from your keyboard. Wait for a second. Okay, close this dialog box and open the blank worksheet. When you open this, okay, I will increase the size because you can see better. This is my column. When I select this column and I will choose different data types from here. It means we have general, no specific format. We don't have any specific format. We can write numbers, letters, everything. If you choose text, it is generally for text. But when we choose text, we can write also different data types. For example, I choose text in here. You can see it is text. But when I am writing, for example, phone, if I write that a number, this number for example, press enter. It has some options. But if I write name, it doesn't have any problem because it accepts the letters. If I write some symbols, it accepts it. It means we can write it numeric, non-numeric, it takes it. But it is better that when you choose text, just write characters, not the numbers, not the symbols, or any other things. Because we have different options in here. I mean, for number, we have for fractions, percentage, and also for currency. So let's open the slide. In here we have number. When includes the number, I mean it accepts the numbers with the numbers. Also, it has ability to accept these symbols or these signs. When we choose the number, we have ability to use these signs. Let's try it. It means when I select this, it is just for the number. It means in here you should write the number. For example, this is a number. And according to the policy with European countries, it accepted two zeros. Not in Afghanistan, but European countries, as you know, it has two zeros. Most of the times they write like $99.9 or $99. When we choose the number, the format is changed to number. You can see, very simple. And if I write some symbols like this, I mean accepted. Well, Another format that we have in here is formula. It means, as you know, that an Excel is used for accounting purpose, for calculation purpose. So a formula in Excel always starts with an equal sign. It means you want to type, you want to use the formula. When I press in here equal sign, I order the MX Excel that I want to use formula. Very simple formula. For example, this cell means C2, column C, row 2. From this cell, I want to minus this number from C3. I mean, you want to minus from 500, 100. When I just simply press enter from my keyboard, you can see 400. This is the types format. And also I want to show some other types in here. For example, when you choose currency, you want to enter the number for salaries. You can see the dollar symbol. When you choose in here, it's very simple, short date. When I press enter, you can see the format in this cell is changed to date. I mean, you should enter the date. In here, you should enter the currency. In here, you should enter the number. In here, you should enter the text. I mean, for a particular format in the set, you can use the number format. Number format. Another outline for today that we have is very simple, that entering the data. How we can enter the data? And two ways we can enter data. Select a cell which the data has to be entered and type it. For example, there are two pictures. You can copy from the two pictures. I mean, just simple. Select the cell, type the data like cardon, and if you are in here, for example, you want to enter the data, very simple. In formula bar, you can click it, enter, high school, then press enter. It means we can enter in two ways. Just click it and type it, or click on formula and type it. How we can select a range of cells. If you want to select a range of data or cells, first you need to place your mouse pointer in the beginning cell, I mean in here, then drag it in each place, up, down, right, left. For example, I will select all. When I press enter in here, I will select, then I press left key or with my mouse, and then I select all of it, or from up to down, from left to right. Very simple. I can select it as you wish. This is the selection part. One column or just one row, or you want to select columns and rows. Another option, we have copying the cell content. How we can copy the content from one place to another place? By copy and paste. Very simple. You can choose the copy command and paste it in another place. By option in here, for example, I will select this number. I want to select, then copy from this submenu and go to another place, paste it. You can see also when we copy, the format is currency. When you copy it in another place, the format is the same, currency, not it was changed to the text or general. I mean, we can copy the cell content. And if you want to move the cell content. It's a question how to move it. Very simple. You can simply click, cut the data and paste it in another location. Go to Excel menu. For example, I want to cut this. Go to cut, press Ctrl X and go to another position. Then press Ctrl V from your keyboard, or here you have. You can see the data was cut and the format is also text. With the format. Another option we have in here, it is autofill. How we can autofill the numbers? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you have 1,000,000 or 100 numbers. You don't need it to type all. Very simple. By autofill, you can do it. How you can do? Just enter a number, for example, 1, and second you enter a second number, select both of them, then you press in here. When there's a black plus appears, you can drag it and drop it like this. For example, it is my ID. Number 1, enter. Number 2, enter. Select both of them. When you select both of them, come in here up to the black plus. When you drag it and drop it, you can see the numbers. For example, up to 52. In here we have 52 numbers. So you have learned how to use the autofill numbers. Now it's the practice time. When you practice these commands, these lessons and worksheet, then we will have an assignment. That your assignment is solve the explanatory questions part 1, page 75. It means you just solve the first part, not other parts. The questions are A, question B, question D, question E, up to question J. Don't forget your homework. Thanks for your watching.